Let's talk about the most dreaded job at home, washing the dishes. After a great meal, you're left staring at a mountain of dirty plates and cutlery. Scraping, scrubbing, rinsing, your hands get wet, and it's never ending. Dishwashers helped, but they didn't solve everything. You still have to guess how much soap to use, and sometimes your dishes come out dirty or covered in film. It's a cycle of trial and error that makes a boring job even worse. But why are we still guessing when we have smart tech everywhere else? The next step in kitchen evolution is here: intelligent dishwashing. Imagine a world where your dishwasher knows exactly what to do. No more guesswork, no more hassle. It's about making our homes smarter so we can spend less time on chores and more on what we love. The future of clean dishes is about intelligence, not just automation. We have robots that vacuum and cars that drive themselves. So why not a dishwasher that thinks? The answer is here, and it's changing everything. No more overusing soap, no more rewashing plates. Just load, press start, and walk away. The boring job is finally getting interesting. Technology is making dishwashing effortless. The future of your kitchen is smarter, cleaner, and a lot less boring. Let's see how it works. Meet the Robot Dishwasher, a machine that thinks for itself. Packed with sensors and a smart computer, it makes all the decisions for you. Just load your dishes and press start. No more measuring soap or picking cycles. Auto-dosing and smart cycles are the game changers. Fill the detergent reservoir once and it lasts for weeks. The machine dispenses the perfect amount of soap every time. Sensors detect how dirty your dishes are and adjust the wash accordingly. Water temperature, cycle length, and jet intensity are all customized. No more human error, no more wasted detergent. Every load gets a custom clean every time. It's a true load and forget experience. This is the future of effortless dishwashing. Auto-dosing is smarter than you think. The system works with sensors to analyze how dirty your dishes are. Tough mess? It uses more detergent. Light load? Just a little. No more wasting soap on easy washes. You save money, and your detergent lasts longer. Forget pods and powders. No more using a full pod for a few plates. Auto-dosing means you only use what you need. The result? Cleaner dishes, crystal clear glasses, and no residue. Too much detergent causes cloudy film. Auto-dosing prevents that. It's efficient, cost-effective, and delivers perfect results. You stop wasting soap and start getting better cleanse. It's a simple upgrade with a big impact. Auto-dosing solves a problem we've had for years. Smart cycles save water and energy too. Sensors decide how much water and heat each load needs. No more guessing. Light loads get quick, cool washes. Heavy ones get deep cleans. You save on utility bills and help the environment. It's a smarter, greener way to clean. You reclaim your time. Just load, press start, and walk away. The robot handles everything perfectly. One less chore, one more reason to love your kitchen. This technology is here now, ready to revolutionize your home. Once you try it, you'll never go back. The future of dishwashing is finally here. Like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips.